telling you girls, my party is gonna be the place to be this weekend. So like, who are you inviting? Who is on the guest list? Only the best dressed in school are allowed. That means you, of course. OMG, can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, look. This status update from Show Baby. She thinks she's gonna go. Did you invite her? What? I did not invite her. Who does she think she is? Oh, look. Here she comes now. Let's ask her. Oh, hey, Big City Baby. I'm so excited for your birthday party this weekend. I can't wait till I get my invite. You know, Show Baby, that invite's never gonna get there. I don't think it was a mistake. What? But I'm Show Baby. How can I not be invited to the best party of the year? Have you seen her clothing? Have you seen her hair? It's time for a major makeover. Nothing personal, you know, but you do need a major makeover. You know, you're right. I have seen better days, but that's not a reason to exclude me. That is so mean. That is the meanest thing everybody's ever said to me. I'm so sorry. This party has to be the best thing that's ever happened to this town. Hey, Big City Baby, that is not nice. Some of us just need a little TLC. I have some hair missing, see? That's no reason to exclude someone from a birthday. Well, if you guys can be on your best dress that day, you're definitely welcome. But if you're not, I'm sorry. Like I said, nothing personal. Come on, girls, let's go. You know, girls, I am going to be at the party, but if you want, I can help you with the makeover. That'll be so nice of you, as if, baby. That'll be so nice.
Hello, my little pies, and today we are going to be giving those worn and torn LOL dolls a little makeover. I know we have a lot of dolls that can need a little bit of TLC. Their eye makeup is coming off. This one actually came with balding spots already, and Show Baby is in a very distressed state, so we're gonna go ahead and paint her and just give her a little makeover, make her just like new. We are gonna be using just regular acrylic paint. These are like 50 cents at Walmart, so it's actually really cheap. And if you guys got a doll that already came damaged, there is a way we can get an exchange from MGA. So if you guys are interested in that, stay till the end of the video. I'll be giving you the steps on how to file a claim with them. It's really easy, but they are very picky on the requirements. As long as you meet them, they'll go ahead and send you a doll over. I know we already exchanged one. Okay, so Show Baby, she needs a little bit of paint on her hair and her eyes. So let's get started and get her matched with paint. Do a little bit of red. Then we're gonna add a little bit of white. The goal is to try to match the color she currently has as much as we can. We're gonna use very fine brushes to make sure we get all the small crevices in her head. Actually, her color right now matches more like Spike's hair. So we're gonna go ahead and do her first. It's actually a perfect match. So she is not that bad, just a couple of spots. And I think that's it for her. I had to do about 3 to 4 layers and just let them dry in between. And now that she's all set, we can go ahead and add some Mod Podge. And this is just a sealer. Just a little layer to make sure she doesn't go bald again on us. We can go ahead and do just the whole head because since she is prone to going bald, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole head. It's not gonna hurt anything. I think she is all set. We just have to wait for her to dry, and she is good as new. Back to Show Baby. I'm trying to see if this is probably a little more white and it'll match her gloves. So just a tiny drop. We can always add more red to make it more pink. I think I got a color that I'm comfortable with. We're gonna do her gloves first because they're a little darker than her hair. Let's start with her gloves. See, her hands already showing. And her arms are all set now. We can go ahead and add some Mod Podge for a sealer. Okay, we'll just let her dry up. Okay, now on to Show Baby's head. Her head, it's what has the most damage right now. So we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more white to what we have because her head is really light pink. Okay, now that we got the shade we want, let's go ahead and paint her. And I think we got a really good match. Okay, so there's the first layer. I'm gonna wait for this to dry before I continue with the rest of her hair. And it's pretty much dry. So now we're gonna move on to the hard part, which is the eyes. So for her eyes, we got black, we have purple, and then we also have white. We're gonna start with the white first because it's probably gonna be the hardest part and the finest one. Okay, so I think we got the white done. We probably need to touch up at the end, but that's okay. So now let's move on to the purple. Just be careful where your fulcrum, because the eye paint is still pretty wet, the white. Okay, and then for now, we'll let that dry before we move on to the black. Okay, now to continue on with her pupils and her eyelashes. Okay, and there she is. I think we're all done. It's not perfect by any means. Her eyes are really hard to do, but I mean, it is a lot better than what she used to be. So what you can do is add some of the Mod Podge sealer. Now keep in mind that Mod Podge is not really water resistant. So if you're going to be putting her in water, then we're probably better off with one of the sealers, the spray-on sealers. They're a little more pricey. I'll put a link down below on one of the sealers you can use. I'll go ahead and let you know how to get your refund. I mean, this is an alternative if you've had your doll for a while and she just starts wearing. But if you just bought her, you can go to MGA website and try to get an exchange.
See, Show Baby, you are beautiful. Let's go show those girls what inner beauty really is. Yes, let's go show her. What is all this racket? What is going on here? Turns out, Show Baby looks beautiful and glamorous. Check her out. What? That is nonsense. I have to check this out myself. I'm gonna go park my car. Sure, baby. You look beautiful. Thank you. Yes, I do, don't I? Check me out. My hair is intact. My gloves are perfect. And look at my eyes. Thank you, SF baby. You did a great job. Yeah, my hair has never looked more beautiful. Thank you so much, SF baby. Well, you're coming to my party. Yay. That's so cool. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the best. We're gonna have the best time. Just wait and see, girls. Oh, sorry about that. We're already going to a party, so I'm afraid we can't make it. Yeah, so sorry about that, SPF cutie. What? I'm having the best party in town. What do you mean you're going to another party? Whose party? Whose party could possibly be more fun than mine? My party is going to be the party to be at. Oh yeah, we're having our own pool party. Sorry, SPF cutie. We would invite you, but you know, you're busy. And for us, we're inviting everyone. This is going to be the inner beauty party. Sorry, SPF cutie. We would invite you, but you know, you already have plans. Let's go, Drag Racer. Actually, that sounds fun. Can I come? What? What do you mean, can you go? You're coming to my party. Sure, you can come. Sorry, SPF cutie. You just have very tight rules. I would like to wear my bathing suit. See ya.
And then you're gonna get empty entertainment. You're gonna go to contact down here. And then right here, you're gonna see an LOL surprise contact us form. And they say that they warrant any product that they have from manufacturer and workmanship. All you have to do is submit this claim form. You do have to have original receipt, and it has to be within 30 days of purchase. As long as you have that, they're gonna ask for the UPC information and the number on the back of the LOL doll. As long as you have that, you just upload a picture and the receipt and submit. And for us, it took about a week, and we got our new dolls. Hope that helps.